Hey guys, thanks for coming to this video. Today I am going to show you all the stuff I got at the Sephora sale. I kind of splurged on a couple of things that I've been wanting, but I figured now's the time when I get some savings. So we're going to open it, we're going to unbox it. I'm going to show you what I got. If you guys want to see this, let's get into it. Alright, so first thing in this box that is just restocking because I am obsessed with this hairspray. It's the Way Texturizing Hairspray. This is the best thing ever. I don't know why it's so expensive. It's like $26 a bottle. And they're kind of small for hairspray too. Like, come on. Why are you so expensive? But when I curl my hair and I use this, it seriously stays put so long. Like, I can go like a week with curls. And yes, I only wash my hair once a week. It's not gross. It's fine. Don't judge me. But I don't have time to just sit there and do my hair every day. Why not just do it once a week? Oh, and before I forget, Sephora always gives you like little samples in if you order online. So I chose the Tatcha the Silk Canvas Primer. This has been like something I really want to try and did not get in this box because it is expensive, really expensive. So I thought I'd just do a little sample of it. Then also the Way Treatment Mask. So I already know I love this brand. Their smells amazing. Their stuff smells amazing. So can't go wrong with a hair mask. And then they have the like little point system. So I have a ton of points racked up actually, but I'm never that excited to use them. So I'm like, oh, I'll just let it sit there and maybe someday I'll get like a really amazing thing. Probably not because they're always sold out, but I don't know why just get things just to get things. I don't know. But I did choose two little things. I think these were 100 points each. So this is the Glam Glow Glow Starter Mega Illuminating Moisturizer. And then I got the Saturday Skin Waterfall Glacier Cream. So these are nice little samples of some skincare. Next thing that's not that exciting is the Clinique Take the Day Off Cleansing Balm. It came dented, which is kind of annoying, but I had a sample of this a long time ago and I really loved it. So I decided, I think it's like 30 bucks. So I decided to save a couple bucks and get this, but it just takes off all your makeup. Like, it seriously just melts it off. It feels so nice and luxurious. Your skin feels so moisturized after you use this. And I've tried some other cleansing balms that I don't like. This one is just the best and I've just never gotten around to actually buying it. So I figured this time I'm doing it. And I mean, this is going to last a really, really long time. The little sample lasted me quite a long time anyways. So this giant tub, I mean, I think it's worth it for the price. Next thing I got is the Lila B Aglow Face Mist. I just got the little, I don't know if it's a trial size or just the smaller size, just to try it out. I think it was like $16. So it's just like a little face mist, which you guys know I love my face sprays, makeup setting spray, face like spray oil stuff. Anything you spray on your face that's like smells good and is refreshing, I'm all about it. I want to try all of them is what I'm trying to say. I need to try them all. So trying this one out. Hopefully it's good. It does have a picture of lavender, so I'm nervous. It might smell like lavender, which I don't love, but I don't mind it if it's just when I first spray it. But if it's something that's gonna linger, I probably can't do it because I'm just really sensitive to smells. So we'll see about that. It is raining outside. I don't know if you can hear it, but if you hear it's rain. It's raining, it's pouring rain. Also, where did summer go? How is it like fall? What? I don't understand how this keeps happening. It's like all of a sudden the time just flies out the window and it's the next season, the next year. whatever it is, it's crazy, but I mean, I don't know what that was. I do love fall, but I'm not ready for it this year yet. I'm not ready for you, fall. Can you wait a little longer? Just like a couple more weeks, please. Like rain go away, sun come out. I want a few more like lake days would be nice, but it's raining even harder now. Apparently the weather does not want to listen to me. Anyways, next thing is this IGK 30,000 feet volume powder spray. So this is a powder spray for your hair. Like, it helps volumize, but it's a powder and it's a spray, which I don't understand yet. It's so weird to me. I thought I would try this. I've seen that it works really, really well to volumize your hair, and everyone knows I need a little volume. Okay, now there's thunder. There's thunder. My husband took my kids to the park, so I'm guessing they're not at the park anymore because that would just be a miserable time at the park. So that means I need to hurry up with this video. So I got the Tarte Timeless Smoothing Primer. I've heard a lot of great things about this too, and I think this is also $30. I mean, it's a beautiful little frosted glass jar with a gold lid, and it's just a face primer. It's not exciting, but if it makes your makeup look better when you use this and smooths out your face, that's what I'm all about in a primer. So we'll see if it does something amazing that's worth that price. Okay, next we're getting into the more expensive stuff here. Next, I got a Becca Sunlit Bronzer in Capri Coast. I really am wanting to try some new bronzers lately. Like, I feel like I'm getting bored of my current bronzers. So I just really wanted to try. I love Becca highlights. They're just the most gorgeous highlight. So I thought maybe their bronzers are just something I need to try. They're just, I mean, and it seems like I thought it would be where it's just gonna give you like a little tiny sheen and a little bit of color. So it's easy to just get that soft, effortless blend with it. And that's something I really want in a bronzer. I don't want to have to worry about how much I'm putting on and just have to be really, really careful. So I'm gonna try that out. The last three items are the splurges. Okay, so I got the Marc Jacobs Omega Bronzer in Tantastic. I've heard really great things about this bronzer. It is gorgeous. Like, it's just a gorgeous, it's gigantic, so I think the size alone, it's like, it's not that expensive. How do you open it? There we go. So you open it and it's this gorgeous bronzer in this really nice big mirror. So I just thought I would try this out. It's something that's just raved about, and you know, you can't really see it that well, but it's right there. But that's what you want in a bronzer. You want it to not swatch crazy. You want to swatch it and be like, where is it? That means it's a good bronzer if you can't really see it. So I'm so excited to try this. I've been wanting this for a really long time, and I don't even think I have anything from Marc Jacobs. So I just like, things like this are just so pretty. So I don't know. We'll see if it's worth it, because if not, I'm gonna take it back, because I don't like to splurge and be disappointed. If I'm splurging on something, it better be good. So now is the time for my two favorite things. The two things that were like the main reason for me placing this order. I knew I was gonna get them. I was so excited, or I knew I was gonna get one of them. I had to choose. It took a while for me to choose which one of each. But I ended up getting the Natasha Denona Sunrise palette and the Pat McGrath Volume 5, I believe, Mothership palette. I've wanted a palette from Natasha Denona and Pat McGrath for so long. People talk about the quality of these shadows is just like none other. And of course, the price tag goes along with that. These are $125, and then Natasha has bigger palettes that are $120. This one is a smaller palette for $65. So I kind of decided, since I'm getting the really expensive Pat McGrath, that I would go with the cheaper option for the Natasha Denona. But I'm so excited to open and swatch these. So let's do the Natasha Denona first. I couldn't decide. It was either this, the Safari palette, or the gold palette. It was so hard, but I was like, let's just try the cheaper option. So, and like, they're just so pretty. Just this gorgeous, it says Natasha Denona on there. And I haven't even seen this brand in stores either. Like, they don't carry them in most Sephoras. They're just like an online only thing, at least where I am. So I've never seen these in person, like anything from these brands. So this is like so exciting that I got to order them this time. So there's that. It just looks gorgeous. And of course I will swatch them. All right, so let's swatch these. I'm gonna try to do better swatches. They feel really nice and creamy. So that's the first row. So this is Poppy, Citrine, Phlox, Awakening, and Laurel. They look gorgeous. I mean, that yellow is so pretty. So there's the second row. So we have Aster, Glory, Azalea, Morgan, and Agate, however you say that. And that Aster shade is really pretty. It's almost like a pinky color, and then it has like these little tiny like lilac-y purple glitter in there. So pretty. Just cannot wait to use this on my eyes. I wanted to break into it and open it and use it today, but I was like, no, just need to wait. So here we have the final row. So there's Clove, Carnelian, Jasper, Morning, and Dayspring. So those look really nice. This one right here, Carnelian, I don't know. That one I can tell I'm going to love, because that orange shade, oh. So that is the Natasha Denona palette. I can't wait to use it. It looks so beautiful. They don't feel like anything they feel similar to other shadows I've used. It's not like they're so creamy or so different or anything, but I really think I'll like this a lot. And hopefully I won't be disappointed. Ooh, it has like a magnet. Like a magnetic close, so it feels really nice and expensive, so that's good. Da, 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 da. So let's see, so it comes in this little box and this little fancy unwindy thing, and you open it. Oh, so fancy. Like, I definitely need to keep this box. Oh wow. So this has all the shadow names on there, little card. Then the back of this is really nice gold. And this one feels really heavy. Like, this one feels expensive, which it is. So it should. If it felt cheap, I would be kind of upset. So let's see. Ah. Okay, and the mirror is beveled. That's really cool. This is gorgeous. Like, that shade, just looking at these shimmers, they look like nothing I've seen before. So that is a good sign. Hopefully this is money well spent. I'm gonna swatch them now. Okay, these feel really good and creamy. Even the matte one feels creamy. So I'd say this palette like feels different than anything I've felt before. Oh, wow. Okay, this is something special, you guys. So we have, this is Skin Show Divine Glow. This one is Entrapment. This is Bronze Blaze, which is really, like when I put my finger in, it almost felt like glitter, but it's not. If it's glitter, it's so fine. It's so pretty. And then this one right here, Rose Gold, is a stunning shade. Like, so pretty. It's like a pinky rose gold, but then it has little flecks of regular gold in there, it looks like. And I just can't get over how sparkly it is. This one is Fire Opal, which is a crazy, like it's blue, green, and like pinky purple. Depending on where you see it, it shifts colors. So I don't know how much you can see that in the camera, but like it is gorgeous. This one is Extreme Aubergine, which is such a rich, like dark purple shade. Sometimes purple kind of can get powdery and just a little patchy, but this one is very intense and very just even. This one is Glitzy Pleasure. It's a very pretty kind of bronzy shade. This one, Disobedient. And then this one here, Blitz Flame. That red is like, it's like an orangey red with like a pinky iridescent almost. It looks so stunning. And then this last one here, Astral Luna Gold. Like, wow. So this palette, I'm so glad I ordered. I'm not sure about the Natasha Denoni yet. They don't feel amazing. These ones feel amazing. It's $125. That's an expensive palette. I cannot wait to use these. I'll definitely do a video using these shadows because they're just so beautiful. And I think these colors too will be really nice for fall. I don't even want to wipe them off my arm. They're just so pretty. Okay. So that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing what I got from this Sephora sale. I'm so glad I splurged on these couple of items, and I will definitely be filming with them soon. Please subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.